I basically bought one accessory and one item of ready to wear. Let's start off with the accessory. So yes, they come in these kind of speckled blue turquoisey bags with the gold Fenty, what's the opposite of embossed? Raised, printed on there. It's great. It feels luxurious. It feels fancy. It feels, you know, amazing. Okay. Okay, if you've seen the past video, you already know what I came to the party to get, and it is these sunglasses. So, I love it. I love the box. I love everything. I love that she's given us, oh, wrong way around. I love that she's giving us a little bit of a Louis Vuitton moment, because Louis Vuitton love a good draw, don't they? They love a good draw. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Okay, the glasses case is this wonderful white leather with the embossed Fenty name and logo at the front there. Hidden magnetic clasp, just hear it. These are called the antisocial sunglasses, and my gosh, if nothing was ever named as appropriately as these glasses were for me, let me tell you, because if there is one thing I am, it is antisocial. Antisocial and proud. These are in the Chardonnay colour, which is obviously this kind of like goldy yellow, and in some flashes you get a little bit of a pink moment on the front there. You've got the Fenty embossed logo on the side. This seems to be a kind of like acrylic moment. These little round things that go behind your ear that have the little Fenty logo printed in there. I have not seen anyone do things like this. She's nailed it. I am killing it. Hello. Thank you, Riri, because I have leveled up. I have leveled up in my fashion game. I am the baddest of all bitches. Truly. Look at these sunglasses. Slay my life. Best purchase. Okay, these are £350. Her website is kind of annoying to navigate. You have to do a lot of clicking to get to where you want to be. Okay, so inside the little glasses case, what kind of goodies do we have? A little booklet, a booklet that tells you all about sunglasses. Okay, so this is something I found out, which I find a little bit weird, but also, you know me, I'm less about practicality and more about a flex. Under the description it says sunglasses strength or like UV protection level 0. So I googled it, and it says it in this book as well. 0 basically means that like you can wear them on cloudy days and it covers your UV protection, but like if you're going somewhere on vacation, they're probably not going to protect you that much. So, disappointed in that. However, I'm sorry, but they just look too good, and I'm still going to wear them, and I'm still going to flex, and I'm going to love every second of it. Cute cleaning cloth, rather large glasses cleaning cloth. Is that not quite sizable for a cleaning cloth? So, okay, so this doesn't come in a box, so it seems accessories come in boxes, ready to wear are left to their own devices. Fenty tissue paper, Fenty sticker, live my best Fenty life, okay? Ooh, great quality from the get-go. Okay, so the second thing that I bought was the, what is this even called? This white kind of t-shirt, I think they called it the Corset Dress. It's £230, and it is just a very nicely tailored t-shirt dress, okay? And it's got like pin tucks on the front there, so it kind of pinches in on the waist. Don't worry, I shall try it on for you. Also because I want to know that I picked the right size. Oh, okay, so details. On the back here, we have the Fenty logo stitched in just above the neck, if we can see that. The Fenty tag there at the front, and then the little thing. So what is it? This is called the Corset Jersey Dress, and I bought this in a size small. So this is the dress on. I'm a UK 10, which is a US 6, and I went for the size small, and it still has some room. So I think that this is the perfect size. Super comfy. It's nice and thick. I really like this little detailing here. I think it gives it a little bit of shape. The shoulders are a little bit like, the shoulders end here, so they look a little bit bigger, I guess, like a slouchy casual top. But I'm really happy with it. I think it's a super casual, easy day dress. you know, paired with these. Oh, kill it. Also with a belt bag. How cute. Slay, casual slay. She's on her holidays. She's wearing her Fenty sunglasses. Oh my gosh. Oh God. What did you think of the purchases? I'm dying for the sunglasses. Slightly disappointed on the UV protection. However, we can work around it. We can make things work. You know, it's not the end of the world. Also, they are far too fashionable for me to care ever so slightly. I have been really quite impressed with the quality. The packaging is glorious. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Come and join us in our luxury of family addicts. We'd love to have you. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.